Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring power and equipment are ready. Equip armor with a functioning equipment grid or the specific night vision module. Once done, confirm your accumulators have charge and your power network will sustain continuous use. Night vision drains energy. Make sure you have the exact item or technology researched that enables night vision in this only way approach. Then open your character inventory to insert the module into the correct slot, so the system can power up immediately. Now you activate and configure the device. Open the equipment interface and switch the night vision module on or toggle its operational state if available. Once active, adjust brightness or sensitivity options so it suits visibility without excessive drain. Lower brightness saves power. Make sure to add redundant battery packs or link to a secondary generator so the feature remains stable during storms or peak loads. After adjustments, walk into dark areas to confirm the visual effect and fine-tune as needed. Finish by maintaining power and handling common failures. Routinely check accumulator percentage and add more batteries if night vision flickers or drops off. If you experience visual glitches, make sure no other vision-affecting modules are active simultaneously and disable them one by one to isolate the conflict. Should settings refuse to apply, save your game and reload or restart the client. That often resets equipment state. Finally, test across several darkness levels to confirm consistent performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.